Welcome back to Fix or Fail. My name is Ryan. Today we're going to try working on another Xbox controller. It's for an Xbox One, and it's the UNSC Xbox controller from the Halo game. It has an issue where this top button, the R2 button, or right bumper button, is not pushing down right. I'm going to take it apart, find out what exactly is going on with it, and we'll go from there. So let's get it apart. Ooh, that's not a good sign. Popped right off. Uh-oh. That's not good at all. So I think we found a problem. Something's broken. Pretty good. We'll take this off and give it a good little clean. Little button I found out last time to reset, or to set the controller to your Xbox. But now where this broke was right there. Right, that little piece right there broke. Now I could glue it. I could try to heat it. Can't. Ooh, that one's about ready to snap as well. Ooh, that's not good. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let's see if we can focus this. If you look right here, look on the inside, and you can see where that's about ready to snap as well. Got just a little itty bitty piece of plastic there holding it up. Right there. Let me go see if I've got another controller, which I think I do, that I can get another one of these off of and try to get this thing cleaned up and fixed. Now I have two controllers here that I just took apart. This one's the original, right here. This is the original one. This is the donor controller. Tell by the two different D-pads. This is the one that's broken in the original one. And as I was taking this other one apart, I noticed they're actually manufactured completely different. This one, the donor one, actually has little spots up here that these controllers hook up to, and there's nothing going across the front. In fact, if you look underneath, there's nothing going underneath there. That connects on there. These two are independent. Now on the other controller, this actually is all one piece. It's a bridge that goes across it. So with this bridge piece here, I got in here, if you can see, And I got to looking and notice this little piece here comes out. So now this is equal to this one, but the problem is this one's just designed, it's pretty rugged. This one here's just got those two little spots here. These two little holes go in, and this is super duper flimsy. So when I take this one here out, that's why they had it taped. I was trying to figure out why they had tape on it. But when I take that out, this is like super weak and horrible design. This is actually looks like it's designed specifically. This actually looks like it's designed specifically to break. So it's a horrible design. Itty bitty flimsy plastic. And if you got hardcore gamers that are going to be working on this constantly, hitting buttons and everything else, this is going to break in a heartbeat. So the special edition Halo controller, the Halo controller, I'll be honest. Sorry for my language, but it's true. It's junk. But I'm going to do my best and try to fix this, since I can't use a donor board to get parts for it. I'm actually going to have to find a way to kind of weld this plastic back together. So that's going to be fun, trying to get that back together. I saw a couple things online on how to do it. I'm not going to super glue it. I'm actually going to try to fix the plastic itself. Maybe I can do it, maybe not, but we'll see. The best way I can think of strengthening it is to actually put in a little piece of metal and melt it in there. Get some other plastic and melt it on there and just try to re-strengthen as best I can. Okay folks, hold on to your hard hats, because we are going to try to melt on a little piece of metal. We're going to try to melt onto this and try to strengthen it up. It ended up breaking as I was working on it, looking at it. So looks like a little mustache. Then we're going to melt it on there and see if that helps strengthen it up a little bit and see if that'll work. So bear with me. I'm going to try to burn through this really quick. Not literally, but you know. By George, it held. Holy cow, it actually held. Alright, let's see if we can do the other side. Oh, really? I think that's going to work quite well. In fact, once I get this all cleaned up and stuff, yuck. But that's just tape they left on there. But once I get the once I get it all put back together, I think that'll hold. Let's try to put it back together and see what happens. Well, you know what? Before I put it back together, I'm gonna clean this out. It's kind of nasty. Anyways, they're all clean, they're ready to go. So we will get this thing back together. Oops, not yet though. Let's put these back in here like they're supposed to be. We'll set this back in here. Why did I do that? Should have just left it on there. Let's put these back on there. No, that's right. That's got the little hooks up there. That's got to go back down there. Yep. There we go. These definitely need to be cleaned. These. Oof. Yeah. These definitely need to be cleaned. Let me go clean these real quick. I'll be right back. That should go in. Like that. Oh, dang it. Keep back in there. Alright. Hold on. Oops. So you can see it. It does look like it's held in there like it's supposed to be. Very good. I mean, the only direction it can't... Oh, there it is. There's a little slot right there it's got to slide into. You see that? Oh, you don't. Never mind. There's a little slot right there. I didn't see that before. This needs to slide into that little slot. I never noticed that. Just like that. Wish I would have seen that before. By George. There's that one. Can't tell what it's doing. It's out, but it's not pushing back in like it should. That trigger works, that bumper's not working still. Oh. Let's try it one more time. Oh, that's why it broke. Oh, man. One side fixed, the other side broke again. Oh, dang it. Alright, plus I noticed it was catching right here. Yeah, I melted it and it caused a little nub right there on the end where it's catching. So, it broke again, but unfortunately, this one's a fail. I can't get another one of these for this controller because the spares that I have don't fit it. So I think this controller will be fixable. Might have to order one of these if I can find one, or find a broken controller and just get another one. Yeah, it's just, unfortunately. Nope, I think I melted that right there, and this side over here works perfect though, so I think there's a chance I could fix it. But it's not going to be in this video. So this might be a revisit, but for right now, it's a fail. Oh well, can't win them all.